Okay, like I said, I'll show you a video on how I take the hair off the pigs with the blowtorch. It doesn't look very hairy because it's only a small one and it's got really white hair, but it is pretty hairy. So this is how we do it. Start with a low flame, not too high. This has got a trigger on it when you press it. You get it out. Blunt knife, not a sharp knife. Singe the hair. Wait till the skin bubbles. As you can see there, it's bubbling. That's ready to scrape off. And that will take out the hairs as well with it. I don't know if you can see on the close-up of the skin with the hair, but it does take the hair off. There's different parts of the pig that are really easy to take the skin off, like on the back. The skin comes off with the hair really, really easy. And there's some harder parts, notably up here and on the front leg and the face and head. And that is how I do it with a blowtorch. Any questions, just ask me in the comments.